Have you ever stopped to think about what happens after you take a single sip of water? Most of us don't. We drink it and simply move on with our day. But inside your body, something extraordinary has just begun. A single drop of water is about to travel through one of the most complex living worlds ever created. Welcome to the HumanBodyVerse, a hidden microscopic universe where trillions of tiny workers keep you alive every second of every day. Today, we're going to follow one ordinary glass of water on its incredible journey through your body. And along the way, we'll discover why water is far more important than most people realize. The adventure begins the moment the water enters your mouth. It feels cool and refreshing, but for your body, this is only the starting point. Your tongue, teeth, and saliva work together to prepare everything for the journey ahead. Within seconds, the water begins sliding down a muscular tunnel called the esophagus. It may look simple from the outside, but inside, powerful muscles gently squeeze in perfect rhythm, pushing every drop safely toward your stomach. No matter if you're standing upside down or lying in bed, these muscles keep the water moving exactly where it needs to go. Your body performs this perfectly without you ever noticing. Now the water arrives inside your stomach. Many people think this is where water stays for a long time, but that's not actually true. Unlike food, water doesn't need to be broken down. Instead, it quickly prepares for the next stage of its mission. The stomach carefully directs most of the water toward one of the most amazing places inside your body, the small intestine. If we could shrink down to microscopic size, the small intestine wouldn't look like a simple tube. It would look like an enormous living forest. Its walls are covered with millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi. Together, they create an enormous surface designed for one purpose: absorbing nutrients and water as efficiently as possible. This is where our tiny drop begins to disappear, but not because it's gone, it's entering your bloodstream. Within moments, countless water molecules pass through the intestinal wall and join an endless river flowing throughout your body. Your blood immediately begins delivering this precious resource almost everywhere: to your brain, to your heart, to your muscles, to your skin, to your kidneys, and even to your fat cells. Every organ depends on water to function properly. Without enough water, your cells struggle to perform even their most basic jobs. But here's something that surprises many people. Water doesn't actually burn fat. If you've ever heard someone say that drinking more water melts fat away, that's simply not true. Water has no magical fat-burning power. So why is it still so important during weight loss? Because nearly every process involved in turning stored fat into usable energy depends on water. Your blood needs it, your cells need it, your organs need it. And the tiny chemical reactions happening inside every cell rely on it every single second. Without enough water, your body simply can't work as efficiently as it was designed to. Think of water as the transportation system inside a giant city. It carries nutrients, removes waste, helps regulate temperature, supports digestion, keeps your blood flowing smoothly, and allows billions of cells to communicate with one another. Without this incredible transportation network, the entire city would slowly begin to struggle. Your body works exactly the same way. So the next time you drink a simple glass of water, remember that you're not just satisfying your thirst, you're supplying an entire microscopic civilization with one of its most valuable resources. And this journey is only the beginning. Because in our next adventure, we'll answer one of the biggest mysteries of weight loss. Where does body fat actually go when you lose weight? The answer is probably nothing like you expect. Welcome to the HumanBodyVerse. See you in the next episode.
Single glass of water is going to